Yeah.
Nice. There's an airplane.
I think it was not there before, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I think this is also new.
Hi guys! Renaissance na tayo. 29. Oh my god, what is this here? Welcome! Look at the view guys. Papakita ko sa inyo ang view. Super ganda. Wait. Guys, look at their coffee. Ang liit ng bed nila. Pero yung view, look at the view guys. Woo! And share ko sa inyo yung view. Super ganda. Kita mo yung IFC dyan, oh. IFC. Ay, Central. Ay, nakakalimutan ko yung building na yun. Kung anong pangalan ng building na yun, guys. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Hong Kong, eh. Sana maging ganito yung Pinas, guys, no? Super ganda. And yung bathroom, tingnan natin yung bathroom nila, guys. Yan ako muna itong bagahe ni Mr. Hindi ako sanay mag-bit-bit sa bagahe ni Mr. Bathroom. Ayan. May anuhin na naman ako, guys. Wala silang bathtub. Maliit lang yung ano nila, but it's okay. Okay.
Okay, just go back. Okay. You have to. Oh, that's nice.
And look at that boat. We should try that one.
What's that?
That boat.
I was thinking about that.
Yeah.
Two packs for you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about that. If we could do
Yeah,
like a night
I
cruise
know,
maybe
yeah.
tomorrow night or something.
Explain. Good morning.
Fail.
Good morning, guys. It's already 10:55 dito. Ang aga namin nagpunta sa Philippine Consulate para i-register yung what do you call that? Registered of birth ni Baba. Kasi dito siya pinanganak, guys. Si Brianna dito pinanganak sa Hong Kong. So, i-registered sana namin sa Philippine Consulate kasi we tried LA Consulate, Philippine Consulate sa LA. Hindi nila tinanggap kasi kung saan daw pinanganak si Brianna, doon daw namin i-registered. So, yun, na kami ng mga requirements. Ang dami pa palang kulang and yung isa din sa naging problema, guys, is yung hindi pa kasi ako nakapag-dual citizenship. Which means, ako ngayon, US citizen ako ngayon, guys. So, kailangan ko munang pumunta sa Philippine Consulate para magpa-dual citizenship. Para back to Filipino ako, para may ako, American at saka Filipino citizenship. So, kailangan ko yun, guys. And then, there are other requirements, Brianna, na yung kailangan ko pang mag-fill up sa PSA para kailangan nila ng copy na walang si Brianna, walang copy si Brianna. What did you call that one? Unregistered birth si Brianna in the Philippines, something like that. So kailangan ko din yon from PSA na patunayan na hindi pa siya na kapag-registered sa Pilipinas. So, we need those, guys, para yung dalawang bata, madual. Si Liam, na-registered na namin. Oh my God, that was long time ago, right? When I renew my passport at LA, in LA. Yeah, we registered Liam. We already reported his birth. But not Brianna, kasi kailangan nga daw sa Hong Kong. So, kaya nagpunta kami ni Mr. dito sa Hong Kong dahil yan, but our mission is failed. Failed. But I got a feeling like
we're missing something.
Yeah.
That we're not quite have everything.
I think my instinct is right. Like, there's something missing. I hope they will not asking for that one requirements that I need to be dual citizenship, guys. So yun, failed. So magkape na lang tayo, guys. Ayan. Nilakad lang namin from Wan Chai going to Admiralty kasi yung Philippine Consulate sa Hong Kong nasa Admiralty, guys. And pagkakaalam ko, parang ililipat daw yan Medyo malayo-layo na. So next year kung babalik kami dito for birth report for Brianna. So pupunta tayo sa malayo-layong lugar, guys. Anyway, mag-coffee muna tayo. Na-miss ko tong coffee na to, guys. Yung coffee na to na Pacific Coffee. Ito yung na-miss ko. Pero in-order ko, guys, is cold. Kasi ang ngayon dito, ang humid, parang Pilipinas din. It takes how many minutes for us to walk going to Admiralty? Like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
20 minutes, so. Right? Yeah.
20, yeah.
Yeah. And then nag-tram na lang kami guys. Nag-tram na lang kami pabalik. Then naglakad na lang pabalik dito sa hotel. So ito, kami. Relax muna namin yung tummy namin, guys, kasi we're craving for roasted pork and roasted duck.
Yeah, they have duck there.
Yeah.
Too? Okay.
So na-miss ko yung chassis at saka yung roasted duck na may rice, right? So I hope the restaurant is still there.
Yeah, you know how to get there.
Yeah. Kasi ang daming nagsipag-close dito, guys. Last night pala, nagpunta kami sa Victoria's. And si Mr., yung na-miss niya, lagi niya inaasa akin is the Makati daw. Okay, what? You keep saying Makati. I think you miss something there.
Makati. I say it once or twice.
Yeah, I'm gonna send him there tonight by himself. I just let him enjoy.
Twice. You blow things out of proportion.
No, you're not.
Yeah,
you keep saying it when we're in Victoria.
What is it?
When we are in the place where
Queen Victoria.
Yeah, Queen's Victoria. And then
I said it once or twice.
yeah, he keeps. I think he needs something. Yeah, I think it's his memories back. The one he's sneaking out to the hotel and going to that place.
And spending 5,000.
Yeah, and it's a wonderful memory of him.
That's no memory.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to be stuck in a little.
Because you can only quote person when they're drunk. Yeah, I caught him last night. See?
God.
He's red.
Nah. I'm always red.
But it's a different kind of red. I know, white nose. Yeah.
It's not just the cheeks.
Okay. Na-miss ko talaga ay yung amoy ng Hong Kong. It really reminds me, you know, the smell, you know, of Hong Kong that it like, oh, I really miss this place. So, ayan, enjoy nyo muna yung ano guys, yung view natin. Ayan. So, hindi pa nila na-tidy up yung room namin.
Yeah, how are they going to, should I call them?
I think they will.
I'll just come in.
Yeah. So, sa Hong Kong, kailangan mong mag-rubber shoes. Mag-flat shoes sana ako guys. Kasi lang yung flat shoes ko nangangagat ng paa. So, ito na lang. Rubber shoes ako. Kanina, naka-jeans ako guys. Pero ngayon, pinanilikan ko na lang ng skirt. Kasi medyo maano-ano to. Right, Ani?
Too hot in pants?
Yeah. So, I need to prepare coins for just in case Mr.
We need to tram?
Brian will get tired of walking. Yeah, I will take that. My Boracay bag. Look. Sana makahanap kami ng ano guys, laundry area. We need to find it there somewhere in Wan Chai Bay.
Yeah. Should I put this in my backpack?
Yeah.
Carry it like this?
Yeah, backpack.
Really?
Yeah. How about in the Manila bag?
Because it just, where's the Manila bag?
Oh. Where? In that black. Oh, wait.
Or it's better for me just to carry it like this.
Yeah, backpack's good.
Backpack?
Yeah. That's not empty?
No, it's still got a lot of stuff in it. Too much stuff, I think. I'll just carry this because Manila bag looks too much like a purse.
Really?
Yeah. Got it?
No, it was well, like this.
Oh,
Yeah, I think this is bigger than, right?
put the clothes in it, or?
Yeah, I'll do it. Then put everything or no?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Maybe it won't fit.
Nah, it will fit. Just me that I don't know how to. Yan, dami namin. Ito yung mga labahan namin sa Boracay. Yeah, we got plenty already.
What's that?
We got plenty of dirt clothes.
This is gonna fit.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this one is better.
Which one is this? Oh.
Yours. Yeah, Manila. You're carrying a dirty stuff.
That's what I was thinking. Maybe I put it in the backpack. This looks
Yeah, that
weird.
one. Nice.
I don't know if it would even fit.
Come on, I'm going to grab my coffee. Because we are going to...
Lunch.
Should I leave my wallet? Or bring it?
Well, you can leave it. What's in it?
Nothing, but just my ID.
Put it.
I'll bring it. Just in case you will run away, I still have money to spend.
She was right here. How come she
I
didn't?
know. He's hungry. Cannot wait. Kain guys. Yummy. This is for the this one. Oil of the chocolate. Start it. It's leaking right now.
It's what? Leaking?
It's leaking.
It's wet. Oh, it's solid.
Turn it down.
Kind of like a sweet. Guys, pumunta kami ng Repulse Bay, and ito pala yung ano ko guys, yung last na employer ko dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan yung building yan, dyan kami nakatira, 101 guys. Kaya binisita ko talaga kasi super na-miss ko tong place na to, and yan yung ano, pinakalas ko na employee na super bait. At saka dyan din lumaki si Bernard till 5 months old sa building na yan.